Mass layoffs, corporate chaos, AI replacing entire teams. You're watching the global workforce get rewritten, and most people still think it's about saving money. It's not, it's about control, power, and leverage shifting from workers to systems. Over the last 5 months, some of the biggest corporations in the world, Amazon, Verizon, Rivian, and Paramount, have collectively cut over 30,000 jobs. Corporate leaders call it efficiency. But under the surface, it's the great restructuring, the merging of automation, cost pressure, and power reallocation. AI isn't just changing workflows, it's rewriting the entire labor model. We're entering a world where corporations run leaner, smarter, and colder, and only those who adapt mentally and financially will survive. Late October 2025, Amazon cut 14,000 corporate jobs, citing integration of AI and automation across logistics and operations. The departments that were hit the hardest: logistics optimization, HR, and internal analytics. Some CEOs are framing it as, "We're not downsizing people, we're scaling productivity." Amazon is showing how AI becomes corporate strategy, not just a tool. This isn't about efficiency, it's about consolidating control of production, data, and distribution. When efficiency becomes an ideology, humans become expendable. On November 13, 2025, Verizon announced 15,000 layoffs and plans to franchise 180-plus stores under new CEO Dan Schulman. Reuters cited, "It's the company's biggest restructure in decades. Franchising is corporate speak for offloading labor costs and risk." For example, Verizon isn't collapsing, it's optimizing profits by removing liabilities. What I am about to share in the coming videos, I'll dive deeper into what I am about to talk about now. Every time you hear streamlining, read between the lines, it means people got deleted to make numbers look good. In late October 2025, Rivian laid off 600 employees, almost 4.5% after falling EV demand and reduced government incentives. Business Insider cited, "The CEO said, we must align headcount with current market realities. As we saw with electric cars for several years, the EV bubble is deflating. Not because the tech failed, but because the hype outpaced the economics. It shows how narratives drive markets, and how media hype creates bubbles that cost real people jobs." We've transitioned into that with AI. Now policy, subsidies, and propaganda are using AI to shape what industries rise and fall. On October 18, 2025, 2,000 US jobs cut as Paramount merged with Skydance, cutting $2 billion in costs. I recommend that you subscribe so when we drop the video on the future of money, how creators are becoming the banks, you don't miss the full context of what I'm about to share. The content war is over. Big media is consolidating to control fewer, safer narratives. Layoffs here aren't about inefficiency, they're about tightening control over storytelling. Fewer companies, fewer voices, less truth. This is why Uncensored collective media was born, because we understand attention is the new currency and the rise of independent media is the backlash. In early November 2025, SAS exits China, laying off 400 employees after 25 years. Times of India cited in an article. Employees were notified via video call, a symbol of cold corporate detachment. This is what deglobalization looks like. Corporations retreating, nations decoupling, workers are collateral. Geopolitics isn't just policy, it's people losing jobs overnight. For us at UCM, we believe freedom, economics, and power are now one conversation. I want you to take a moment to think about what I'm going to say. These layoffs aren't random. They're signals. The system is changing faster than people realize. Corporations are replacing workers with algorithms. Governments are trading sovereignty for stability. And creators are the only ones left who can move independent of the machine. The question is, are you adapting or are you next? If you're tired of media spin and want the truth about money, power, and mindset, hit subscribe, join the Uncensored collective community, and watch the next episode called AI is Rewriting the Rules. Adapt or get left behind. This is Uncensored collective media, where we question everything and build what comes next.